Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you get free crypto into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first, and after opening the Bitget you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. You just simply have to select that icon, and after selecting that icon you will get to see a bunch of options. Now, especially if you are a new user, you will get to see this new user option into the quick access. And if you tap into the new user option, you will get a lot of campaigns and available rewards and promotions into this section. As you can see here, I have this sign up to get 15,730 USDT in rewards. Now, while I'm recording this video, here is this campaign or the promotion going on. When you are watching this video and checking to Bitget, here might be some other options, but there are different options in most of the times of year into this section. Now you just simply have to tap to join button or participate into any of the campaign that has been going on while you are checking, and you will get some free rewards from this section. You can easily claim the free crypto and boost up your trading in Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.